tell if your hair is dry and dehydrated or damaged. We're going to talk about the difference between your hair just being dry and dehydrated today and your hair being actually damaged. I get a lot of comments on my videos very often that my hair is fried. People love to comment that my hair is fried. I can assure you my hair is absolutely not fried. My hair is very healthy. People see the platinum blonde and they automatically think it has to be fried, because how could someone be so blonde without their hair being fried? I'm a professional hairstylist. I promise you my hair is not fried. But my hair is thin and my hair is fine and my hair gets frizzy and dry very easily because my natural texture is slightly wavy and my hair has a hard time maintaining hydration. It does not equate to damage. I often also have lots of baby hairs sticking up. This is regrowth. These are new hairs. In the last few months, I've had a particularly large amount of these baby hairs because I did shed quite heavily when I lost weight, but that is normal and that means my hair is healthy, not that my hair is unhealthy. I often get people asking me, how can they tell? How can they tell if their hair is dry or if their hair is damaged? So first, let's talk about dry hair. Here is what dry hair looks like. This is a good example of dry hair. And I very often get people asking, why is their hair so damaged? And I will look at their hair and be like, your hair is not damaged, your hair is dry. Now, dry hair doesn't necessarily equal super healthy hair. Super healthy hair is gonna be really well hydrated. But again, dry hair that is slightly unhealthy isn't damaged hair, because damaged hair is brittle and will break. Damaged hair typically can't be fixed. Damaged hair typically needs to be cut off, where unhydrated, dry, frizzy hair can be remedied with the right products and can be masked with the right styling products. This is an example of damaged hair. Damaged hair, like I said, is going to be really brittle. It's going to break off easily. You're going to be missing chunks of your hair. And even when you put in smoothing products and apply heat, the hair is still going to look damaged. The hair is just dry. When you add the right products and you do the right styling techniques, you're going to get a smooth, shiny finish for the most part to the hair. Your hair not feeling smooth simply means that your cuticle is not laying completely flat. And this, again, can happen when the hair is underhydrated or when the hair has also been damaged. So you're going to get a dry, crispy, crunchy feeling whether the hair is dry or whether the hair is damaged. The biggest difference is going to be the strength of the hair. And if you take your hair and you can tug on it and it kind of feels bouncy but not stretchy and not snapping, then your hair is probably pretty healthy. If you take a single strand of hair and you pull on it, not as hard as you can, because obviously it's only a single strand of hair. But if you take it and you can give it quite a good tug and it doesn't easily just snap, then your hair is not damaged. One of the reasons it's so important to understand the difference between if our hair is damaged or if our hair is dry is because that's going to make a big difference to what products we're going to use. There is hydration products, which are going to penetrate deeply and hydrate and nourish our hair on the inside. There are moisture products, which are a little more topical, kind of like your face cream, which is going to make your skin feel really nice. But you also want to be using those deeply penetrating skin products that are like the hyaluronic acid and whatnot, that's more deeply hydrating. Our hair is the same. We want hydration and then we want moisture. And if we're doing those things on a regular basis, and then we can use styling products that also have moisture that help to enhance shine, we're going to have nice, shiny, healthy looking moisturized hair. But if our hair is damaged, all the moisture masks and hydration products and styling, smoothing products aren't really going to make a huge difference. And that's because the bonds of our hair have been damaged by heat or chemicals. We probably need a really good haircut, and then you're going to need products like Olaplex or K18, or honestly both, because they are completely different products that are going to go in and repair your hair on a molecular level. The number one reason I see people be unhappy with products that they buy is because they are buying the wrong products for their hair. They are buying a repair product when they need hydration, or they're buying hydrating products when their hair is damaged beyond belief. If you are unsure about what your hair needs and what your hair's actual problem is, that's when it's really important for you to find a hairstylist that you like and that you trust and that you feel really understands your hair and your hair type and you as a person, because all of that is going to come into play and be really important when finding the right products and the right routine for making your hair be the best hair that it can be. I hope that helps. If there's any points here that you feel like you want more clarification on or you want me to talk about more, let me know in the comments and I can respond or even make another video to talk about that more in depth. And I love hearing from you guys, so please don't hold back. Leave me those comments. I hope that helped. I hope that you can maybe take a look at your hair and kind of determine better if you feel like your hair is damaged and dry, because I really hate when people feel like their hair is damaged and they have to cut it all off, when really the only problem is that they need to get the right hydration and moisturizing routine into their life. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. Please hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the 3 videos I post every single week, and like and subscribe because it really helps me out. Bye, guys.